Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2018 Ford Explorer. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, a trip computer, fully automatic headlights, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and air conditioning. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Come on in and take a test drive.